Hi everyone. So to draw this, I am going to make my background layer dark. You don't have to do this, it's just a personal preference because I like to make my background a little bit dark when I am working with lighter colors, but you can choose any color you want. So first, let's create a circle. Draw a circular line and tap with your other finger to make it uniform. Now tap on the selection tool and select ellipse. After creating the selection, the parts which are highlighted under the diagonal lines are not selected. Now select the eraser tool and erase the highlighted part. So now you will get something like this, like a moon. Now select a darker color and create an ellipse. Now duplicate this layer and select the layer beneath it and fill it with white color. Now select the layer that is above it and select the move tool and make sure the freeform is selected. Now adjust the left, right and bottom portions of your ellipse and give it a nice width without touching the top part. Now for the shading, pick your base color with the dropper and make it slightly a darker version of your base color. Now for the shading, we are going to use the inbuilt noise brush that comes with the Procreate. Now start shading from the right side of your bowl. Don't apply any pressure on your pencil, move it very gently following the curve of your bowl. Now select a lighter color and make your brush a little bit smaller and very gently shade the right and left portion of your bowl. Now we are going to do the same thing for the top part as well. Pick your base color from the dropper and make it slightly darker. Follow the curves of your ball and shade it very gently. Now I am making the right side a bit yellowish because I am assuming that a yellow light is coming from the top right corner. Now to create the shadow of your bowl, duplicate your bowl layer and select the Move tool and tap on Distort. Check out my other drawing tutorials as well and subscribe to the channel for more.